Welcome back once again with a new technical video, and in this tutorial I will tell you how you can make your own app using MIG App Inventor, and in this video I will tell you how you can make calculator app. So let's begin. First you have to click on Google Chrome, or you can use any internet browser, and simply you have to write MIG App Inventor. Click on this link and then create apps. It will automatically fetch my last project which I have made. So we have to make a new one. So click project, start new project, click here, give a suitable name. So I'm going to create a calculator app. So we have to write calculator, write calculator, click OK. Calculator already exists. So give another name, calculator 1 2. Okay. Now it looks like this. So for calculator we need 5 buttons, or you can use 3 button also, plus, minus and division. But I will use plus, minus, multiplication, division, and 5th button is for clear all input data. So we have to arrange in a proper way. So we will take layout from here. We are going to give horizontal arrangement to this button. So drag it and drop it in this block. 1 2 3 3. So we have to simply do drag and drop. So this is very simple software, guys. As you can see, we have to only pick the blocks, which blocks is required. You have to just pick from here and drop in this area. So we are going to give it a name like text for button 1. Change it to plus. Increase the font size 21. Font bold. See, here you can see the changes also. Change it with minus, and font size should be the same 21. Font should be bold. Do the same things here also. What we are going to give? Multiplication. So multiply. Same one, 21, and font should be bold. Now see. Fourth one, what we are going to give? For fourth one, we are going to give division sign. Font size should be same, 21, and font is bold. And fifth one is for clear. So write C. Font bold and size what will be? 21. Okay. Now you can give it color also. You can change the color, like here second should be this, third should be red. Any color you can actually pick. You can assign any color. Now what another things we need? We need label, so that output, where output should be displayed. So come in user interface, take a label for output display. Drag and drop in this area. Change the name. So what is the name I am going to give? Output. So whatever the output is there, it will be visible here. Font bold, and the thing is font size should be 21, as I have taken the same size. And we need to give two input data. We need to take text box 1, which should be fill parent. Fill parent means it will appear full size width in your mobile phone. We need to input two data. So we will take two text box and the width should be fill parent. So this thing is done. Now we are going to change that name of button 1. Button 1, rename it add, and button 2, rename it button 2, just rename it subtraction, sub. Okay, so that I am going these things so that you can't confuse. Multiplication, mul, rename it division, div, and button 4, just rename it button 4 clear. Okay, now designing section is completed. Now we have to program it. So click on block and click on add. Take this, drag and drop in this area. So when we are clicking on add, what it will do? It will add. So come to label 1, set label 1 text to. What it will do? It will add both input data. So where is input data? Input data is in text box. So pick text box text 1. Text box text 1, where it is? Here. So we have to add it. So go to math section, take a +1 from here, connect it. Okay, now paste this in this. So when we click on add, the output should be visible to addition of text box 1 plus text box 2. So click on duplicate and you can fetch another one, change it 1 to 2. So see, when we click on add, the label 1, what is label 1? Label 1 is the actually output. Output equal to the text box 1 plus text box 2. Both should be addition and output will be here. Now the same things we are going to do with subtraction. When we click on subtraction, label 1 text to be, again we have to go in math section and take minus from here, click on duplicate, paste, again do the same. See, when we click on multiplication, what it will do? Same things. Click on label, set label 1 text to, set label 1 text to, click here, add, again go in math, take multiplication block, again click duplicate, take a duplicate, again text box 2, take a duplicate, again connect it. Fourth one is division. When division click, division button click, then again label 1 text to, label 1 text to, drag and drop, connect it, come to the math section, go in division, connect it, again take a duplicate, again take a duplicate, connect it. Now when we click on clear, if we click on clear, what it will do? Label 1 should be, all input data should be clear. So set label 1 text to. So when we click on clear, all data should be empty. So take this. Text box should also empty. Delete it. We don't need it. Go in text box. Set text box 1 text 2. Set text box 1 text 2. Search. Set text box 1 text 2. This one. Pick this one. This one should also empty. So when we click on clear, all things should be empty. Again take a duplicate and give it text box 2. Now see. So coding section is completed. Now where we have to see the output. For output I am going to use emulator. Emulator is a virtual mobile phone that is appear on this Windows. So see, this is, and this will take 1 or 2 minutes. See, the message is starting the Android emulator. Please wait. This might take a minute or 2 minutes. So you can see guys, this is a very simple software, and using this software you can make your own app by just drag and drop the blocks. Emulator started waiting. Just scroll up. Now wait few minutes, few seconds. Once it will open, we have to input two data and see the output as we have programmed. See the changes. Okay, wait. 4, 3, countdown is going on. Now see guys. Okay, done. Now we have to input two data over here. So I'm going to input 5, and in second text box I'm going to input 2, and then I'm going to click on add. Then it will give, see, it will give us the output 7. Is it right? 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. And when I click on subtraction, it will give 5 minus 2 equals to 3. When I click on multiplication, is it right? Yes, 5 into 2 equals to 10. When I click on division, 5 multiplied by, 5 division by 2, it will give 2.5. When I click on clear, what it will do? It will erase all the input data as well as label also. See, so you can see guys, this is very simple software, and for output you can use emulator as well as you can see the output in your Android phone. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please hit a like button and comment it. What the next project